Ever seen pure serenity in motion? Get ready to witness it. In the heart of winter, where snow blankets the earth in a pristine white embrace, a stunning woman takes a snow bath. The air is crisp, the landscape a serene wonderland, each snowflake glistening like a tiny crystal. With every graceful movement, she becomes one with nature, embodying the pure, tranquil beauty of the season. Imagine the soft crunch of snow beneath her feet, the gentle caress of cold air on her skin. This isn't just a bath, it's an extraordinary experience, an intimate dance with winter itself. For nature lovers, there's nothing more inspiring than seeing someone so effortlessly blend with the snowy splendor. Embrace the calm, embrace the beauty. This is not just a moment, it's a memory etched in the timeless allure of nature.